Hi everyone, and welcome to DFM Rapid, your one-stop solution for CNC precision machining. We're excited to show you what we do and how we can help you with your machining needs. At DFM Rapid, we're a team of experienced professionals who are passionate about CNC machining. We have the skills, equipment, and expertise to help you with your machining projects, no matter how complex they may be. We work with a range of industries, from aerospace and medical to automotive and electronics, and we take pride in delivering the highest quality workmanship. We offer a range of services to meet your specific needs, including CNC milling. Our milling machines can produce parts with high accuracy and repeatability, using a range of materials such as aluminum, stainless steel, brass, and plastics. CNC turning. Our lathes can create precision components with tight tolerances, in a range of sizes and shapes. Prototype machining. We can help you develop and refine your product designs, with quick turnaround times and expert guidance throughout the process. Custom machining. Our team can work with you to design and produce custom parts that meet your exact specifications, ensuring they fit seamlessly into your manufacturing process. At DFM Rapid, we're experts in CNC machining. Our team has years of experience in the industry, and we stay up to date with the latest technology and techniques. We work closely with you to ensure that your projects are completed on time and to your exact specifications. Our advanced equipment and software allow us to produce parts with high accuracy and efficiency, while our commitment to quality means you can trust that your parts will meet all the necessary standards and specifications. Thank you for watching our introduction to DFM Rapid. We hope you've gained a better understanding of our services and expertise. If you have any questions, or would like to learn more about how we can help you with your machining needs, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We look forward to working with you.